Hello, good morning, student. Today we will start lesson number 10, India Agriculture, means agriculture resources. Lesson number 10, most important lesson, understandable, easy, and important for the board exam. So all of you will open your textbook page number 76, chapter number 10. Today 2 marks question. Initially we will learn. Dear student, as you know, India is an agrarian country. The main occupation of our country is India. Since ancient time, agriculture has remained prime economic activity of most of the people in India. It is an important resource of India. About 60% of the labor power of our country is engaged in agriculture. So just first paragraph, importance of agriculture resource. It can be asked as a importance of agriculture resource. For that, first paragraph, few points you need to write as a 2 marks answer. About 60% of the labor power in our country engaged in agriculture. Besides, agriculture supplying food to the people of India, raw material for many industries. Agriculture occupies about 22% of the national product. In first paragraph, fill in the blanks. Agriculture occupies about blank percentage of the national product, 22%. Crops and other farm products hold about 18% contribution in export, which earn huge foreign exchange. It means agriculture product we export and about 80% foreign currency, foreign exchange India earn annually. The Indian economy mainly depend on agriculture. Thus, India is an agrarian country. Means this is your question. India is an agrarian country. Explain the statement. Or agriculture is an important resource. Give reason. First paragraph you can write this 4-5 points. Again I repeat, 60% labor power in India engage in agriculture. Agriculture supply food to the people, raw material for industries, and agriculture occupies about 22% national product, and farm products, crops hold about 80% contribution in export, which earns huge foreign exchange. Up to here your answer. Thus we can say that India is an agrarian country. Now next question. Today in the 76 page, 2 marks question, I would like to explain you and you will write it as a homework. So next paragraph, pay attention. Here favorable conditions. In next paragraph you will learn one question. What are the favorable conditions for agriculture in India? So in India, most of the area, 2 or more crops annually can be taken due to the factors like fertile plains. What is favorable condition? 1. fertile plains we have, favorable climate for the round the year cultivation. It means kharif crop, rabi crop, summer crop, right? Cultivate in India round the year means during the year 2 to 3 crops can be cultivated in Indian farms. Then irrigation facility, skilled and hard working farmers. Indian farmers are hard working and skilled. They have how to cultivate the farms, how to harvest the crop, how to irrigate the plants, how to nurture the plants, and weeding, winnowing, all type of skill our Indian farmers possess. Even the progress in the field of agriculture is not sufficient. That is give reason, right? That much favorable condition, but farming here less production from our farms compared to developed country. Okay, next question now. In the same paragraph, second, why the per hectare production is less in India? Suppose question asks, in India we have a favorable climates and other factors good for farming, even though per hectare production is less in India. Next, give reason. We will learn from the same paragraph. Agricultural production in India is much less compared to the world. Topic we will continue. You can see the fourth line in the second paragraph. Agriculture production in India is much less compared to the world due to the following reason. Number one, inadequate facilities of irrigation, irregular and uncertainty of rain, more population, large family, smaller farms, no interest in experimentation, less usage of chemical fertilizer, modern machinery and scientific approach for cultivation, educated mass opting away from agriculture, the so-called lower status of agriculture in the society. So why the agriculture production is much less compared to the world. Just now I will explain you inadequate facility of irrigation. Point number one. In India, after independence, many multipurpose projects are constructed. Canals, lakes, ponds are there, even though there are many states, for example, Rajasthan and desert area of Gujarat, Haryana, such kind of many states and districts where till date any multi-purpose project or canals are not there, so they can only cultivate the kharif crops, they cannot cultivate the rabi crops because of lack of irrigation facility. If dams and canals are there and suppose drought occur, less rainfall, so we have canal and dams, but water supply not, water reservoirs are empty, so we cannot cultivate our farms and irrigate it. So why the per hectare production compared to the world less. Number two, irregular uncertainty of the rainfall. In India, monsoonal climate, so sometime less rainfall, sometime excessive rainfall, sometime early rainfall start, sometime late it is started. It means irregular uncertainty of a rainfall. If to excessive rainfall, it is harmful to the crop. Less rainfall also not good for the crop. Irregularity, so why the production is less. More population, so why among the brothers of the family, suppose the farm of the father is divided, each brother gets small farms. Because of more population, land divided. Our farmers have small farms, large family and small. These 3 points are connected. More population, large family and smaller farm. Smaller farm, so any irrigation facility they could not, tube well etc. they cannot install. Right? More population, large family, due to that the farmers are poor, so they are not affordable to purchase the hybrid seeds, modern mechanical machines, fertilizers etc. they could not purchase. So in short, more population, large family and smaller farms, due to that per hectare production is less in India compared to the world. No interest in experimentation. Indian farmers are doing the traditional farming, subsistence farming. They do not do any new experiment. Till date you can see in many farms today, till date no drip irrigation, no sprinkler method, no harvester they use. They do not use the hybrid seeds. So why the production is less. And less use of chemical fertilizer, modern machinery and a scientific approach not. Indian farmers have lacking the scientific approach. So they do the farming, subsistence farming, traditional farming, dry farming, red farming. Indian farmers are doing, but intensive farming, plantation farming and cash crop production till date less in India. Okay, and educated class of India prefer the white collar job, office work. They do not prefer the agriculture sector. That is also a cause for the less production of agriculture in India. In short, one give reason completed. Okay, agriculture production in India is much less compared to the world. So these 3 questions you need to write as a 2 marks. Number 1, again I repeat, importance of agriculture resource, or India is an agrarian country. Question number 2, favorable conditions for farming in India. Question number 3, why agriculture production in India is much less compared to the world. After that, one 4 marks question, types of farming. Here bold heading on page number 76 you can see, in India farming classified according to irrigation method, farm outputs, economic returns. On that base, total 6 type of farming we will learn in this topic as a 4 marks answer, and each type of farming separately as I explain the term 2 marks. Number 1, subsistence farming. Number 2, dry farming. Number 3, wet farming. Number 4, shifting agriculture. Number 4, plantation agriculture. And 6 number, intensive farming. The 6 type of farming we will learn in our next lecture, and these 3 questions above mentioned you will write and learn. Types of farming in next lecture I will explain. Thank you. Jai Bharat.